Rotate multiple videos at once with Prism. Add your files to the application and click the Effects button. In the Video Effects dialog, click Add Effect and select Rotate. Use the Clockwise or Counterclockwise buttons to rotate your videos by 90 degrees in the desired direction. Click OK to save your changes. Close the Video Effects dialog by clicking OK again. Then, select an output format and click Convert to process your videos. Continue watching for more details on how to rotate multiple videos at once with Prism. To rotate videos in Prism, add your video files by clicking the Add Files button or dragging them directly from your folder into the window. Select all your videos by pressing Ctrl+A or hold the Control key while clicking to select multiple files. Next, click the Effects button at the bottom of the window to open the Video Effects dialog. In this dialog, click Add Effect and choose Rotate from the available options. Once the Rotate dialog appears, you'll see buttons to rotate your videos, clockwise or counterclockwise, each rotating the video by 90 degrees in the specified direction. If you ever need to revert the rotation, simply click the Reset Default button to restore the original settings. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, click OK to save your changes. The Rotate effect will appear on the command list. To close the Video Effects dialog, click OK again. Next, select an output format from the drop-down near the bottom of the application. Then click Convert to start processing the videos. Prism will begin converting and rotating your files. After the conversion is complete, click Open Output folder to quickly access and view your rotated videos. For more Prism tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.